If you want them, you gotta roll a persuasion check.
Roll persuasion.
No, I already want them. I read.
14.
All right, yeah, you can get them.
Yes.
Rolling for the
chocolate chip
chocolate chip
Oreos.
Okay.
20.
No.
Yep.
All right, fine. God.
What was he rolling?
What do you want?
1 towel.
Oh my God.
Oh, free.
Oh.
Man.
Okay.
Okay, so 10 or lower could be blueberry, and 10 and higher can be chocolate.
Okay.
So I'm guessing this one's chocolate, a 9. Blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, let me see. What'd you get?
19.
Oh my God, we cannot get 19 pizzas. Oh my God.
Is this enough?
14, you need 5 more.
It's covering my whole face.
We cook all of those. I'm just gonna destroy them in one bite. Roll for prime. 9.
That's a 6. No.
That's not it. Roll for veggies.
Okay.
Oh,
5.
she got a 1. You can't get
No,
veggies.
I got.
She's,
It was a 5.
it's still no vegetables.
No.
If you want to roll for that, you can. You have a dice? Okay.
19.
All right.
If I roll a sleight of hand check and I get higher than a 10, I get to keep the dice. Have a dice.
No.
What is it?
15. Okay, thank you.
All right, let me hold it.
No,
Let me hold it for 1 second.
So you lost your dice. Rolling for snacks.
Oh, no. No, this is just pure candy.
Roll for some white cheddar Cheez-Its. 12?
12.
Okay. What'd you get? I can't see that.
Is that 20?
Is that 18?
Let's see.
Yep.
18.
All right, stroop waffles. Rolling for cereal.
Oh, 3!
Oh no.
Rolling for Skittles.
What'd you get? That's 17?
17. Yes, I got Skittles.
So let's roll. 13.
Oh, 13. All right. PG it is. Rolling for a case of water. And
13.
13. That's a yes.
Oh, that's what I got.
Ooh, it looks so cool. Good shot. I'm using my bonus roll to see if I can get you to cook me a small turkey.
Okay.
So agreed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, 20.
Oh, critical success. You're making me a turkey.
That's like-
We're getting a turkey. They're going to get the milk. Hopefully they come back. Rolling for a new flosser.
Is that,
Oh.
oh.
Rolling to go outside. What'd you get?
I will slower. It's 4.
4.
Oh, how can I say no to that cute face? Look at that cute face. We went outside anyway.